Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video features the Skydroid C13 thermal imaging night test. The Skydroid C13 is equipped with a high-resolution 640,512 thermal imaging camera. This advanced thermal imaging module offers a wide field of view and clear visuals, enabling long-range observation of various heat sources. It excels at detecting heat sources at night with ease. During nighttime testing, the C13 demonstrated powerful detection capabilities, easily identifying thermal targets even in complete darkness. Provides strong support for missions such as emergency rescue, security inspections, and surveillance. Whether it's day or night, the C13 can accurately capture long-range thermal data and maintain stable image output even in complex environments. That concludes our video on the Skydroid C13 thermal imaging night test. Thank you for watching and supporting us. If you have any questions about the content or would like us to go deeper into any part in a future video, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue to bring you more drone reviews, tutorials, and practical guides. See you in the next video.